Let's discuss the peripheral nervous system. All the whitish thread-like nerves that connect all the parts of your body to the central nervous system, they constitute the peripheral nervous system. So, all the whitish thread-like nerves that connect all the parts of your body to central nervous system, they constitute the peripheral nervous system. Now, they consist of two types of nerves, cranial nerves and spinal nerves. You can see that how there is the network of nerves that form the peripheral nervous system, and these nerves connect to the central nervous system. And we have two types of nerves, we have cranial nerves and we have spinal nerves. So, cranial nerves are the nerves that arise from the brain. The nerves that arise from the brain are known as what? Cranial nerves, as the name suggests. In man, we have 12 pairs of such cranial nerves. Okay. Let's read. We have olfactory, that is related to nose, optic related to eyes, oculomotor related to eye muscles, then trochlear related to eye muscles again, trigeminal related to lower jaw, upper jaw and the face, abducens related to eye muscles again, facial related to the face, vestibulocochlear related to the ear. So, cochlea, ear, right. Then glossopharyngeal related to pharynx, vagus related to heart, stomach, accessory related to the neck, and hypoglossal is related to the tongue. So, these are the 12 cranial nerves, 12 pairs of cranial nerves that are there in all of us. Let us read it again. Olfactory is related to something, smell, right, related to nose. Optic related to vision, sight, eyes. Oculomotor is related to eye muscles, oculomotor, right. Then trochlear again to eye muscles. Trigeminal related to the upper jaw, the lower jaw and the face. Abducens is related again to the eye muscles. Then facial related to the face, as the name suggests again. Then vestibulocochlear related to the ear. So, from the cochlea, remember its ear. For glossopharyngeal related to the pharynx. Then vagus related to heart and stomach. Accessory related to the neck. Hypoglossal related to tongue. So, these are the 12 pairs of cranial nerves. Then we have spinal nerves. Spinal nerves are the nerves that arise from the spinal cord, as the name suggests. They arise from the spinal cord, and these are divided further into 5 groups. Okay. What are these 5 groups? You have cervical nerves, thoracic nerves, lumbar nerves, sacral nerves and coccygeal nerves. So, cervical nerves, there are 8 pairs of cervical nerves. Okay. Then 12 pairs of thoracic nerves. After this thoracic nerves, we have 5 pairs of lumbar nerves and 5 pairs of sacral nerves and only 1 pair of coccygeal nerve, which is present at actually the tail region. This is the coccyx, this is the tail region, right. So, we have 1 pair of coccygeal nerve there also. So, as a whole, spinal nerves are classified into 5 groups. Remember, cervical nerves, thoracic nerves, lumbar nerves, sacral nerves and coccygeal nerves. So, this is about the peripheral nervous system, which forms a network of nerves that connect all the parts of a body to the central nervous system. We have 2 types of nerves, cranial nerves and spinal nerves.